Uh-oh, that looks like the beginnings of party time. Hello, everybody. Oh, just another day of going in a circle.
Guess where we are?
It's New Year's Eve day. And where do we go New Year's Eve day? Only one place. Yes, I'm doing circles around the flags. It's not IKEA if we don't do that, right? IKEA! Okay, here we go with our annual IKEA trip. You hear him? You think he's saying, IKEA, IKEA, IKEA? Last time we were here, that train was going by over there, remember?
No.
And it was so windy, my hair was like standing straight up. Here, can I see your new shirt that you got for Queenness? We're here at IKEA.
This is what I got for Christmas.
Whoa,
A phone.
nice phone.
Let's see.
You need a screensaver thing.
Okay,
What
turned
do you
on.
have, Baby Yoda? Let's see your Baby Yoda. We're going into IKEA. We're gonna get some stuff to start the new year
Look,
off
guys.
right.
See Baby Yoda?
Aww. Okay, see
Screensaver.
you
All
inside.
thanks to Mom.
All right. Your mom's cool.
What are you doing?
Yeah, Riley just said, Mom, can we go do In-N-Out? That's not burgers, home slice, not burgers. We got Beauty and the Beast on over there.
Okay.
I might actually go. Why don't you go shopping and I'll go over there, In-N-Out, have some Beauty and the Beast.
That's not
I
happening.
might have some burgers and the Beast.
That's not happening.
Or camping. What time is it? Is it time to go camping or time to go to school? Oh, sorry. He's playing with his device. Cute, huh?
Dear.
Oh dear. At his desk. Working hard.
I want to eat a banana.
Eat a banana.
So. Weird. I don't think I want it. See you later, dude. Look at all the furniture. Hey, Mom. Why are you asleep? Mom, we're still in IKEA.
Oh my god. I thought I was at home. Okay, let's go. Let's go shopping.
Let's go.
To clean your plate. Are you done? Are you done eating dinner? You cleaned your plate. You're good to go. Oh,
I have
yeah.
to throw up.
You know what, really? It is what it is. I'm a hopeless romantic. I'm just hopeless. Adventure is in here. Ah, you found another one. Oh, look, there's a whole bunch. These are cool. Ah, smart home stuff. Gotcha. These are cool. I'm not racist. No, run away, run away, run away, run away. I'm gonna win, I'm gonna win, I'm gonna win, I'm gonna win. Yeah! Oh, only by one stair. Here, yeah, let's get a cart. Oh, great. They don't make my spatula anymore. I can't find the spatula I love anymore. But look what they do have. Oh, yes. New and improved. Riley Spanker. Is it a Riley Spanker? One of my yearly things.
Oh, look
they
at
have
the new brands.
ones. Whoa.
There's green,
Oh, I like those.
there's turquoise, pink, and
I
black,
like
and
those.
just
They're
black.
weird shape. Oh, these are the suction cup ones.
Yeah.
I like these. And you know what I really like about these? These little scrapers on the top. You scrape
Oh.
all the crap out
seen
of,
those.
out of your pans.
I've never seen that.
I like them. We got the soap dispenser ones too. These are cool. Now what I'm looking for. This guy. See what I'm getting. Plastic bag dispenser? Is that what I'm getting it for? No. What am I getting this for, bud? What's this for? To hold all my sticker paper. All right.
I wanna go to
it's so
swim.
exciting.
What am I? What?
You're in the store. Still. We are done. We are out of here. Whoa, they like halfway painted, but it looks like a city.
Yeah,
I want to do that.
I want to do that too.
Then you could do like a starry sky. Oh, that'd be cool.
Going down.
So this is where you walk in the front door. And I just now noticed that they have this last chance wall right here. So I guess they put the sale prices right here. It's kind of cool. I'm gonna check that out when I come in. All right, we are out of here. Bye, bye, IKEA. Woo! Look at everybody. I love these little drippy lights.
Let's look inside.
Yay!
92. I love this one.
I know. Wait for it.
Our lightsaber bike?
Look at that. Lightsaber battle.
Yeah.
Oh, so cool.
Nugget. Yeah. I'm gonna roll up the window. Actually, no. I'm just gonna go normal.
It says, hang on tight as the lights of today take you back in time. Whoa, whoa, we're going back in time. Gotta get back in time.
Whoa.
Whoa, Deuteronomy. Wow. That was fun. Dude, go crazy again. Tiny piece of crazy. That looks rad, dude. I love it. You like it? Whoa, that was rad.
What?
What it's doing.
Whoa. Whoa. Edit that.
That was cool. I like these little trees right here.
They have cute little smiles.
Aww. What's up with that tree? Does he have like a little smirk?
What smoke?
His eyes are closed with a little smirk. Melting trees, melting trees, melting trees all the way. Look at all those. Those are
what
rad. Here we go. What is this? Oh, it says Toyland.
Toyland?
Toyland. Toylandia. Santa Claus is coming to town. I like toys. Gonna find out. Oh, look at Santa and baby Jeebus. Hi, baby
Look at it. The
Jesus.
trees are singing.
Pixar ball over there. Oh, that's funny. Oh, we got a bear and a rocking horse and a tree and a top. And look at the projection. Wow, dude. That's rad. That's
That is
so rad.
That's awesome.
Hey everyone, what's your favorite Christmas memory? Was it a special time with friends and family?
Wow, it's snowing. Ooh, look at those giant rainbow trees. Holy macaroni. It says wet. So rad. Now what do we have over here?
Right here.
Over here. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to you. Glad you're here.
Oh, us too.
You having fun?
Yeah.
He's all the funnest part is sitting in the front seat.
Yes. I never get to sit in. Hey, Mom, what's that scratch right here?
What is it? I don't know. Probably Riley. So we have, oh dear. Oh, and one of them's Rudolph. Can you spot Rudolph?
Right there.
Yes. You look at the size of that abominable snowman. Abominable. Here we go. Now what are we doing? What is this? Look at that's the Colosseum, Holland, Taj Mahal, Eiffel Tower. Yep, Paris, China, Australia. Up and here we go. What is this?
Christmas.
You got it, man. So we have the wise men who all came to give him presents. Do you see the light? Jesus.
And
Look at he's because they call him the light of the world. Woo! It's so pretty. That was so cool. I love seeing all the lights. It's so pretty. Happy New Year, everybody. Riley already looks like it needs to be cut off.
Yep. Clearly, it's a bedtime.
Yeah. I mean, no. I can't see very well.
We need a monocle. Let's put them on.
You will eat those burgers and you will like them.
What was it? One.
One. That's about all I can take.
Yeah.
Shove that in there. Oh! What?
Mommy.
What is it?
Any color.
Any color. We're going to go red. What is it? 4.
Oh, yes.
God. He's going to... That's too much for this guy. 1. Ah!
Yay, Mommy won!
Party hardy! Woo! All right, here we are. This is it. We're out partying. Yeah, we're partying. Okay. Oh my God, it's countdown time. Oh my God. Okay, what is it? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Yeah. Hey, Happy New Year!
And Crappy New Year!